Hello YouTube, it's me again. Today's video is about bananas and strawberries. No, not really. But anyway, what do you call it? I'm making a video about glasses. One thing I've noticed about glasses is I don't know how the hell people fix pairs of glasses when they only have one pair of glasses. I got one side here's a little wonky, this one's not so wonky. But if you are the lucky person in the world to have one pair of glasses and you need to fix your glasses, guess what? They're pretty hard to fix when you can't see what the hell they need to be fixed. I mean, I'm wearing my other brand new pair of glasses and I can barely see what the hell's going on here. And it's just like, really? How in the world do people fix glasses? Especially if you're fixing them by yourself. I mean, come on now. Like this thing is so damn small. Yeah, okay, you put the things any smaller? I don't know. It's just crazy. It's beyond. I don't know what's loose here or what, but these are basically just they are now being turned into a spare set of glasses because they're just old and wonky. So this one is I don't know. I don't get it. This one, a screw fell out of it, and I don't have any extra screws. At least I don't have any screws this small. Extra laying around. But yeah, it's so damn small that I don't even think this works. Or is gonna work. So yeah. I don't know, folks. If you have glasses out there, how in the world do you get along? I mean, I know they're expensive and things like just get... But these ones, I don't know if you can see that, but they're getting kind of weird. And these ones that I have on don't even wiggle that much. They're brand new and nice and stiff. Also, the lenses are perfectly clear. So yeah, got they call it the VA gave me glasses, and these things are reading glasses. I survived 40-something years without having to wear glasses, and all of a sudden woke up one year and started getting headaches and couldn't read things. And before I used to be able to see the imprint of my finger here. Now it's like I need glasses and a magnifying glass. So anyway, that's my glasses thing for today. I fixed that and I'm done. Enjoy and have a good holidays.